Hello dear viewers, I have something special for you today. In this tutorial I will share a proven method for getting free coupons for the Doordash food delivery store. Before recording this video, I tested the credibility and safety of the website and everything looks very promising. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how I completed all the tasks. So we go to the website rabatna.com. Now we select the website in our language, which is English. Now, from what we see here in the video, the offer is limited until stocks run out. Yesterday, when I was browsing the site, there were more offers available, but for the purposes of today's video, I will show you how to add discount codes using the example of the Doordash food delivery online store. Also, we click the Claim Your Coupon button to get a free $300 coupon. We have received information in which step by step is described what needs to be done. We have to complete a verification task to receive a free $300 coupon. But don't worry, the task is easy and free. It's an additional verification to ensure coupons are not claimed by the same person multiple times. The task involves downloading an app from a partner on Google Play for Android. Here are the instructions we receive. Install the Playtime app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. This is very important because if we do not complete this task, the code will not appear. To perform a task, we click on I want to receive a voucher. We will be shown a list of tasks. We choose the partner task named Install the Playtime app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Sometimes other tasks may show up depending on what country you are from. We will now open the app page that we all know, Google Play. We click Install and wait for the app to download and install. Anyone who has apps on their phone will surely manage. Once the application has downloaded, we click the Open button. Now the application will open for us, and here the most important thing is to perform our last task I. Install the Playtime app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. It is very easy and the application is very interesting. Then get to work. In order not to prolong this tutorial, I completed this task. It took me 17 minutes. I wanted to make sure and use the app longer. If you do not complete this step, then the task will not be credited and the discount coupon will not appear. I now go to rabatna.com and click the orange circle to refresh the page. Now we should see the information in which we see our discount code for use in the online store. I'll copy this discount code for myself and show you on the computer how to use this code at the Doordash food delivery store. I added 11 things to my shopping cart, including avocado toast, sauces, a cookbook and more. The total for everything comes out to more than $300, so let's use our discount code obtained from rabatna.com. Click on the promo codes, rewards and gift cards button and paste or type our discount code there, then click on the apply button. Check it out, dear friends. We can see that the discount coupon was successfully added and the amount reduced by an additional $300. I recommend you this way of free shopping. I don't know how long the site will generate discount codes, but I think the interest is high. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Bye.